How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be doing some outlaw trail riding right outside the Ashland Resort. Recommend getting involved team apps. It really helps you out. So we'll show you a little bit of what it's about. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, be sure to drop it down in the comments and we'll do our best to help you out. That's the only downside, but really shows you all the outlaw trails, a lot of them, and the black trails where we've been, and it even shows some of the majority of the Hatfield McCoy trails, even the old ones that's closed is on here, so it's really nice. Trails are a little grown in, but they're a lot less dusty than the regular Hatfield trails. And every once in a while you come across a nice view. Now this is in the middle of a bad trail, but just look at that view. Especially a pretty wife. Okay. Just send it. Outlaw trails. What was that?
Which way would you go?
Whichever way the moon flies. Let's go. Just send it. Just send it. Sending it through that. We're not that crazy. But if you want to send it through that, it's on the outlaw trails on Bob T Maps. Just go through the center. You gotta go backwards. This is something else you can only get down at Hatfield McCoy. We got a whippoorwill here. We're waiting for everyone else to catch up. Outlaw trails only. Can't be riding the regular trails after night.